welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I want to say sorry that I haven't filmed in such a long time. I feel like it's been like 2 weeks. It actually has been 2 weeks that I haven't filmed. I feel like I've been uninspired. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I don't know why. And also I've been traveling a lot. I traveled 4 times this month and it's really crazy. It has me like everywhere. I'm like those type of persons that really get thrown off if one little thing is not right. You know what I mean? And I don't know, I wasn't like happy, if that makes sense, like traveling so much. I know that it's such a blessing like that, but sometimes I get really bad anxiety that it's really bad, and I feel like I've just discovered this year. I don't know why, like I can literally start to cry right now because that's how bad my anxiety is. It's just not like I imagined, but I don't know, I think it's because I'm getting older, and hopefully, like, I pray that I just, you know, it just goes away. But yeah, really weird. But anyways, I'm just so happy that I'm like filming right now, and it just makes me feel so much better. You know what I mean? So I'm just really happy that I'm now filming, and you know, I'm not gonna take a big break anymore. I'm like really sorry about everything. Yeah, and I'm like so happy that I'm filming, and then this like calms me down. This is like my space, you know what I mean? So yeah, let's just get to the video. I feel like I'm gonna ramble a lot. Obviously, this is a first impressions. This is going to be like new makeup that's been coming out. I have like the new Laura Mercier Ultra Long Wear Flawless Fusion concealers, and I'm just really excited to try that. I have a new foundation, the new NARS Natural Radiant Foundation, which I'm like so excited about. Like, seriously, I just can't wait. So by the way, if the lighting looks so off, I'm very sorry. This side is only lit up. I should actually film this way. I didn't break it. One of my siblings broke my lighting. So yeah, I'm very sorry. Yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that too. Now that I moisturized my face, I'm gonna go ahead and start with primer. I tried it, but I've never tried it here on my channel. This is the YSL Touche Eclat Blur Primer. It's in this little bottle right here. This is a sample size. I'm definitely gonna get the big one when I run out, but look, it's literally full. Like, this is a good sample size. I don't even think this is a sample size. I think it's like, you know how there's like a small one and then a medium one and then a big one. Yeah, I think this is the small one, but it's probably hella expensive. But I've been really loving this primer. It really blurs out my imperfections, and it feels so good on the skin, you guys. I'm gonna do my foundation next. But first, I'm gonna introduce you guys the new Makeup Addiction Skin Perfecting Sponge. It's this one right here. And look at you guys. Hold on. Let me just get it out of here so I can show you guys. Look at this. Like, isn't this the cutest thing ever? No germs, nothing goes on it. So I'm very impressed in Makeup Addiction for, you know, coming out with this. I don't know if they came out with this or if it's even like their thing, or I don't know, but this is very genius and very creative. So I'm just gonna wet this because it's clearly dry right now. So yeah, I'll be right back. Now that we have our primer good to go, I'm gonna go ahead and start with my foundation. I'm gonna go in with the new NARS Natural Radiant Foundation. I'm just so excited to try this, you guys. Like, you guys have no idea. I bought this actually like last week, and I was like, you know what? No, I'm gonna wait until I do a first impression because you guys did want one. This is the new NARS Natural Radiant Foundation, and you guys are probably like, what shade are you? I'm gonna tell you guys. This is Aruba right here, and I hope this matches me because there was 3 shades that really matched me, and I was just like, I don't know what to get. I almost bought all 3. I was like, no, I can't just spend money like that. This is how it looks like, and it's not liquidy. I feel like this is gonna be a very like full coverage foundation. I think it is a full coverage foundation. All right, so let me read a little bit about it. So this is Meet NARS First Longwear Foundation that looks stronger and stays longer with skin recognition pigment, the Trust Color Match in 16-hour wear, featuring NARS Skin Optimizing Complexion. So yeah, this is a medium to full coverage foundation. All right, so I'm going to be applying this. Oh yeah, this is a really like great match. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out with the Makeup Addiction sponge, and I think I'm gonna use this side right here. So let me just bounce it. So far, you guys, this foundation is definitely full coverage. Like, it's already covering so many of my dark areas. Now do this side. And I feel like this foundation is a little bit more on the matte side. That's all I gotta say, because I feel like if I recommend it to drier people, I will get in trouble. I like how the sponge is not soaking product up, which is like a #1 thing for me when it comes to sponges. It's not soaking anything up. My nose is so red right now because I am getting sick. Well, I'm not getting sick. I think it's allergies because Las Vegas weather is just so crazy right now because it rained like 2 days ago and now like the sun is out. And then it's super windy too. Oh my god, it snowed in Las Vegas, you guys. Isn't that crazy? Supposedly, it only snows in Nevada 1 time every 10 years. So I definitely give this foundation a 10. You guys are gonna love it, especially if you're on the oily, like normal to combination skin. You guys are going to love. So next I'm gonna go ahead and do my concealer. So here it is, the new concealers. Okay, so here are all these shades, and I'm happy that the concealers, they have a good range of colors. Definitely, like, I'm very impressed by that. Okay, I'm gonna be taking this shade right here. This is number 4N. Packaging is pretty simple, you know, it's very straightforward, you know. I really like it. So this is the one right here. It's a very nice wand, and I'm going to be applying this underneath my eye. So I'm going to take my Makeup Addiction sponge, and then I'm just going to be blending this concealer out. So I do gotta mention that this concealer does dry up very fast, so you definitely need to work quickly. It will dry on you, for sure. I kind of like that it's not matte. To conceal it, I'm going to be using the 3W. I'm going to start to highlight on my T-zone. Yeah, this is a really good shade to highlight for me. I'm doing the little 3 stripes. So now I'm gonna go ahead and blend it with my Makeup Addiction sponge. I'm going to be putting up a video about my trips, so wait on that vlog. I did film a lot when I went to San Diego, and then also when I went to the New York Fashion Week with Elf. It was so cool. It was actually my first time ever going to New York for Fashion Week. Well, not going to New York because I've been to New York before, but going to New York Fashion Week was so cool. Like, I never thought I would ever go to one, and like I got to experience it, and it's so fun. Like, seriously, I would do it again. I just love the fashion, you guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cream contour. I know this is not new, but I'm really excited to try it. This is the Smashbox Studio Skin Shaping Foundation. It has like a foundation stick and then it has a soft contour. But I'm not gonna use the foundation stick. I'm gonna be using the contour side. This is how it looks like. The foundation side and then the contour side, so I'm very excited. So I got the shade 3.2. yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and now contour. I feel like I really needed something new with my contour routine because you guys are probably so annoyed of me always using the Wet n Wild contour sticks. Wow, I don't know. You guys know that my Wet n Wild is my #1, but sometimes you just gotta move on, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and blend with my Morphe G40 brush. So let's start blending. Oh my god, this is like working so beautifully. Now that we're done blending our cream contour, I'm going to go ahead and use the Makeup Addiction sponge and then blend everything together. So next, I'm going to go ahead and set my under eye concealer. The powder that I'm going to be using, I think this is new. This is from Becca Cosmetics. This is the Under Eye Brightening Setting Powder, and it looks like this. It's in a very small packaging. I thought it was going to actually be more bigger, but it's not. So this is how it looks like. It's just translucent. I am going to be setting my under eyes with it today. So now I'm just going to be setting my under eye. I'm just gonna apply this right underneath. Ooh, this is so powdery. So I'm gonna take the sponge and then I'm just gonna melt it into my skin. This looks really good, but now I'm gonna bronze. So for today's bronzer, I'm gonna be using this Amazonian Clay Matte Waterproof Bronzer from Tarte. So I'm just going to be taking a brush and then just bronzing up my face with it. So I really like the bronzer. Definitely I would wear it again. I'm gonna go ahead and do my blush. And today's blush, I've never used this before. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Glisten. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera. There's nothing new to my brows. I always do the same brows. So I'm gonna do them off camera and then I'll catch you guys in a sec. Alright guys, so now that we have our brows done, I'm gonna go ahead and continue. For today's eyeshadow, I'm actually going to be using the Beauty Bakery Do It For The Gram palette. And it's this one right here. It's really, really pretty. So this is how it looks like right here. I'm going to be taking this brown shade right here. It's more of a transition color. So I'm going to be applying this all over my crease. So now that we have our transition good to go, I'm going to be taking this shade right here with a Makeup Shack T46 brush. And I'm just going to be applying this on the outer crease. And I'm also going to be applying this on the inner corner. So now that we have that good to go, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the middle part of my eye. Alright, so I'm going to take a smaller brush and I'm going to take that orange shade again and I'm just going to be reapplying it. Alright, so now that that's good to go, I'm going to go ahead and apply this shade right here. It's this gold shade in the palette. And I'm actually going to be applying it with a flat brush, and then I'm gonna actually be spraying some Fix Plus or any spray that you have at home. I have like a more flatter brush, but I can't find it. It's like a vanity brush. It's like my favorite. Oh, found it. Alright, so now that we're done with our eyes, I'm just gonna keep it very minimal. I know this is not minimal, but I'm just not gonna add any winged eyeliner today. But I'm very excited to try the new Bellamy HD lashes. This is the packaging right here that I got. I'm very excited. Here you have all the lashes in a very, very cute packaging. Straightforward, super cute, very chic. And I like the packaging. It's in a circle compact, but they're super pretty and very like long and wispy. Ooh, these right here. Damn, these are Twitch. I'm shook. Oh, and then also I'm using a new lash glue. I got this at Makeup Shack. This is the Lusai liquid glue and it's latex free. Oh, by the way, if you guys didn't know, Bellamy is an extension company, like hair extensions. They do wigs, extensions. They're really, really known for that. For them to come out with lashes, that's a big deal because they know about their hairs. I'm gonna be using the new Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara, and this is not my first time using it. It really isn't, but I've been loving it and it's a new mascara, so I really recommend it. Alright guys, so right here I have the new MAC Hypo Real Glow palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here, the last shade in the palette. Alright guys, so now for lips, I'm going to be using this MAC Cosmetics lip liner in Morning Coffee. So now I'm going to be taking this shade right here. This is the Dose of Colors Liquid Lipstick, and this is in Lazy Daisy, and I've never tried this shade, so I'm excited. So you can leave it like this, but I feel like I'm gonna add a gloss, and today's gloss, I'm actually going to be trying the new Lancome glosses. They're lip plumpers. Alright guys, so now I'm going to set my makeup with the Morphe setting spray really quick. Alright guys, so that is it for the first impressions. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. By the way, thank you guys so much for 500k subscribers. I never thought that I was going to ever hit 500k. It's so crazy to me, so thank you guys so much. But don't think I forgot. One lucky winner will be winning the Naked palette from Urban Decay. I'm so excited for the winner to get this because this palette is such a good palette for beginners. So I definitely want this palette to go out to a beginner in makeup. I remember this was my first ever palette that I purchased myself with my own money, and it just brings back memories that I really do want a beginner to win this palette. So all you gotta do is comment down below what was the first makeup that you ever purchased on your own. If you do remember, if you don't remember, then just comment down what's your favorite palette. My favorite palette back in the day was the Naked palette too. That's all you gotta do, and also you have to be subscribed and like this video if you are trying to enter. But yeah guys, that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.